Teza is proud to offer our new 75 Series bifold door. The Teza 75 Series bifold door combines sleek design with high performance in a sophisticated and minimalist package, delivering reliable functionality even in harsh conditions. Teza 75 Series bifold doors offer a perfect blend of style, security, and energy savings. Made with advanced thermal technology, these doors provide smooth operation and long-lasting performance. Optionally, you can install Teza's retractable screen for bifold doors, which is a sleek and innovative solution designed to let you enjoy fresh air and natural light while keeping insects and other pests out. It enhances home security, improves ventilation, and contributes to greater energy efficiency in any space. Engineered with precision, this retractable screen seamlessly integrates with all of Teza's bifold door systems, offering effortless operation and exceptional durability. Customizable to fit any space, they add elegance to your home. The multi-point locking system ensures enhanced security, keeping your home safe. With durable finishes, these doors are easy to maintain and built to withstand the elements. For a free consultation, please contact us at 818-818-6001 or visit us at tezadoors.com.